Iguazu Falls is one of the largest and most impressive waterfall systems in the world, located on the border of Argentina and Brazil. This natural wonder consists of about 275 different waterfalls, stretching for 2.7 kilometers. The most famous section, the Devil's Throat, is 80 meters high and 700 meters wide and offers a breathtaking view. The dense fog created by the rushing waters here often causes rainbows. The waterfall can be explored from different angles from Argentina and Brazil. On the Argentine side, there are hiking trails and viewing platforms closer to the falls, while the Brazilian side offers wide-angle panoramic views. Adventure lovers can feel the power of the water by traveling under the waterfalls in motorized boats. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Iguazu is surrounded by tropical rainforest and is home to many wild animals such as capybaras, toucans, and jaguars. Iguazu offers an unforgettable experience for nature and adventure lovers. Victoria Falls is one of the largest and most breathtaking waterfalls in the world, located on the Zambezi River at the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe. Known locally as Mosioe Tunya, the smoke that thunders, the falls stretch approximately 5,604 feet wide and plunge 354 feet down, creating the largest sheet of falling water on the planet. One of its most striking features is the mist created by the cascading water, which can be seen from miles away. During the rainy season, vibrant rainbows form over the falls, adding to its magical beauty. A famous attraction at Victoria Falls is the Devil's Pool, a natural rock pool on the edge of the falls, where adventurous visitors can swim right at the brink. Both Zambia and Zimbabwe offer various viewpoints to witness this natural wonder up close. The area is also a hotspot for adventure activities such as bungee jumping, whitewater rafting, and hiking. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Victoria Falls attracts thousands of visitors each year, leaving them in awe of its sheer power and majesty. Niagara Falls, one of the world's most famous waterfalls, sits on the border between the United States and Canada. It consists of 3 waterfalls, Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls, with Horseshoe Falls being the largest and most powerful. Over 6 million cubic feet of water plunge down every minute, creating a spectacular sight. Visitors can experience the falls up close through the Maid of the Mist boat tour or the journey behind the falls, which leads to tunnels behind the water. At night, the falls are illuminated in vibrant colors, adding to their charm. Surrounding attractions include Niagara Parks, casinos, and the Skylon Tower, offering breathtaking views. Besides being a major tourist destination, Niagara Falls is also a key source of hydroelectric power, making it both a natural wonder and an engineering marvel. Angel Falls is the world's highest waterfall, located in Canaima National Park, southeastern Venezuela. With a height of approximately 3,212 feet, its waters cascade freely for about 2,648 feet down the rocky cliffs. The waterfall is named after Jimmy Angel, an American pilot who flew over the falls in 1933. Since it is deep within the Amazon rainforest, reaching it is challenging and usually requires travel by canoe or small aircraft. Angel Falls is a breathtaking natural wonder, showcasing the immense power and beauty of nature. Plitvice Waterfalls are a stunning natural wonder located within Plitvice Lakes National Park in Croatia. Comprising 16 interconnected lakes and over 90 small waterfalls, this breathtaking area is famous for its turquoise waters, lush forests, and scenic wooden walkways. Listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Plitvice offers a unique beauty in every season. In spring and summer, it dazzles with vibrant greenery, while in winter, the frozen waterfalls create a magical landscape. Considered one of Europe's most beautiful national parks, it is a must-visit destination for nature lovers. Yosemite Falls is the tallest waterfall in Yosemite National Park, California. With a height of 2,425 feet, it is one of the highest waterfalls in North America. The waterfall consists of three main sections: Upper Yosemite Fall, Middle Cascades, and Lower Yosemite Fall. It reaches its peak flow in spring when the snow melts. A popular destination for nature lovers and hikers, Yosemite Falls offers breathtaking views and an unforgettable experience. Gullfoss is one of Iceland's most famous and breathtaking waterfalls. Its name, meaning Golden Falls, comes from the way its waters shine in the sunlight. Located on the Hvida River, the waterfall plunges down in two dramatic stages, with a total drop of 105 feet. Gullfoss is a key stop on Iceland's famous Golden Circle route. In winter, the surrounding landscape turns into a stunning icy wonderland. The efforts to protect Gullfoss symbolize Iceland's deep love for nature. Keilir Falls is one of the most powerful and stunning waterfalls in the world, located in Guyana's Keilir National Park. With a 741-foot single drop, it is one of the largest single-drop waterfalls by volume. Surrounded by dense rainforest, Keilir Falls is known for its raw beauty and remote location. Unlike many famous waterfalls, it remains untouched by mass tourism, offering a truly wild and breathtaking experience. Tugela Falls is located in the Drakensberg Mountains of South Africa and is the second highest waterfall in the world, with a height of 3,110 feet. The waterfall consists of several drops, created by the Tugela River, and is known for its dramatic surrounding landscapes. The area is popular among nature lovers and photographers, who come to experience its immense height and stunning natural beauty. Tugela Falls is an impressive destination for those seeking adventure and scenic views. Detien Falls is an impressive waterfall located on the border between China and Vietnam. With a height of about 230 feet, it is one of the largest waterfalls in Asia. Surrounded by lush forests, the falls lie in a valley, offering different perspectives from both China and Vietnam. Detien Falls is a stunning natural wonder, known for its vibrant green surroundings and mystical atmosphere, making it a popular tourist destination that combines natural beauty and cross-border cultural richness. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the world's most beautiful waterfalls. From towering drops to mesmerizing landscapes, nature's